I'm back, but you probably didn't even know I was gone. We got busy the last couple weeks. I took on some side work. We had some friends come stay with us for a week. Yeah, Sawyer broke his arm. Everyone's out of school now. Yeah, we've just been busy. So I haven't done anything in this room in like 2 weeks. And now I am back at it. I'm gonna finish concreting this step into the shower right now. And finish putting up concrete board. And then probably pocket doors. And then I'm rolling again.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
So I'm having a little moment of doubt here. I've watched lots of YouTube videos of people forming this curb in mud all the way around. But what's not making sense in my head is I'm gonna have concrete board here, and I can't have this too thick. It has to be all even to put tiles across the front. What I'm thinking is that I'll put the concrete board on right now and not concrete this, just concrete board. And then I can just concrete right to the top of it. I think I like that idea. Sorry, my camera died. But what I've done is cut a 2x4 the right length just to get this straight line here. I'm able to measure off of here on both sides to make sure that my width is the same left to right here. Now I've packed all this in, I've tried to smooth it out and eye level it. Now I need to get a 2x4 and a level and make sure that I have a good slope into inside of my shower, which I do. I've got about 1/8 of an inch slope. That's probably plenty. This is only 5 inches, 5.5 inches wide. So if I can keep that slope. Anyway, my next job here is just to angle this right, and then I'm done.
And there it is.
Here is the step all finished and dry, and you can see a little sneak peek of what we're going to be working on next week. A few weeks ago we went up to Idaho to stay at my parents' farm, and on the way we stopped at the Soda Springs Geyser. The geyser is controlled by a timer and it goes off every hour on the hour and reaches heights of up to 100 feet. We all love going to my parents' farm. My parents bought it back when I was in high school, I think, just kind of out of the blue to have somewhere fun to go. It's been so fun to be able to take our kids there and enjoy the land and enjoy Bear Lake, which is just about 20 minutes away from their farm. We've also recently discovered a little reservoir and some fun dirt trails close by their farm. Travis was really hoping that you would all think that that was me riding the four-wheeler, but after the scare he gave me last week, I figured it was fair enough to say that is him. He borrowed my coat because it was freezing cold on the drive home. We hope you guys all have a fantastic week, and we'll see you next week.